What's good, Pyros? We are back with part 2 of the stash video. So here we go, y'all. So over here, I'm sure you already seen this part on the last video. This is going to go on our 27th show with Extreme Pyro and Custom Pyrotechnics. Twisted. This is something new. I'll be getting a demo of this here soon. It's supposed to be really nice. I got me a powwow, a color smoke to salute. It's supposed to be real nice from the videos that I've seen. And over here, got me some Jawa rockets. We'll try them out. Got me some Moon Traveler and Big Boy rockets. Got me a Jubilee added to the big bore wall. It's crazy. Y'all didn't get to see these on the last because I have it on the last video because I had them blocked. But I got the sky painting and the Predator, all the Raccoon Pro line stuff. And I got the red, white, and blue Pro line stuff. It's the black wraps. And then another small wall, 1-1 wall. I'm definitely can't wait to try these. Especially, I done seen the Yippee. I had it last year. If you've seen my last year's stash. But I ain't never had Colossus. I had to grab 2. It was the only ones left. Grabbed a Masterpiece. Ain't never seen Snowblind. So I'm gonna have me a Snowblind finally. If you ain't seen the Master, this is a solid 1-1 cake right here. Solid. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this last video. But yeah, that's part of the part 2 right there. Oh, forgot about these bad boys here. Strobe missiles. These things are nice. Really cool. I'm glad I got me some. But that is part 2 of the stash. Part 3 will be here hopefully in 2 weeks. And it's definitely going to be a surprise for me and y'all. If y'all love fireworks as much as me, I think it's definitely one of the things that it ain't never been here before, and I definitely want it. Everybody else keeps posting about it, so I'm over here fiending for it. I want it so bad because I just want to see it. But this is just a little short video of the stash for part 2. I'll see you on part 3. See you, Pyros.